My loving pranams to everyone. Well, I think you all know me as an actor. I've been an actor, a TV, film, theater actor for many years now. It's more than 2 decades. I'm into industry. But very few people know the other side of me, which is my spiritual journey. And please excuse my cats. so it all have started when my father passed away, and when I saw my father lying down there, and a lot of questions started dwelling into my system, that where do we come from, where do we go, what is this Atma, Paramatma, and what is this karmas, and what is moksha, and why do we take birth, and after death where do we go, and all that stuff. So my journey have started since then, and I was very young then. I think I was around 17, 18, when I lost my father. And ever since I've been a seeker, since then. And I've been always looking for something beyond, and something more meaningful and insightful. And in this entire journey, I've been to many masters, living masters, non-living masters, and I was doing very well in my entire journey. And I think I was beautifully developed by my gurus, all my gurus' grace. A lot of gurus have put their energy to, help me to find myself. But still, there was something which was missing. That entire oneness was not there. It was still that, that quest was somewhere down the line. It was still existing in my system. I was still looking for God, what you say, and I happened to meet Shri Shiv Kripanand Swamiji, His Holiness, who is an Himalayan master. And I happened to do one of his projector shivir, which happened in Lokhandwala. And I think after that, my entire life was transformed, and I don't know what happened, but then that quest, that seeking, that stopped. I found the very God, what you call God, the Atman or Paramatman, and everything deep inside me. I had beautiful spiritual experiences, the anubhutiya, what you call, with Swamiji. And I just wanted to share now. This is a beautiful opportunity for all of us, that in His divine grace, this Mahashivir is going to happen from 23rd of December till 30th of December. It is a Kundalini Jagran camp, which will happen on YouTube channel Guru Tattva, which is absolutely free. And in fact, all around the world we have centers with the Samarpan meditation, and it's free everywhere. So there's no commercialization. Even if you go to the ashram, you get to stay there free, and annagrahan, everything is absolutely free. And this entire meditation of 8 days, which is based on Kundalini, Shakti, and your 7 chakras, and your 3 nadis, Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna, which is called Surya Nadi, Chandra Nadi, and Madhya Nadi. So I would like to invite all of you, the bliss which I have experienced, and the transformation and the spiritual awakening which I experienced. Please come and join and experience this most beautiful and most blissful divine experience through this camp. It it's going to happen from 6 to 8 a.m. in the morning, which will be live, like Swamiji will be live with all of you. He's going to clear your all 7 chakras. And during this COVID time, we all are going through a lot of havoc, and there's a lot of chaos going on in everybody's system, where we are fearful of future. Some people are going through the financial issues, some people are feeling low esteemed, or so there are a lot of bundle of emotions going on during this entire COVID times, during this pandemic. And if you notice, a lot of people are committing suicide and they are getting into depression. And I think this is a beautiful, this entire COVID time, it's a beautiful opportunity by the existence, to enhance yourself and evolve more into your spiritual being, and expand yourself and be more positive and more awakened and more joyful. So please do join in the morning. It's live from 6 to 8 a.m. from 23rd of December to 30th of December. And if you can't do it in the morning, then of course you can do it in the evening, which is again 6 to 8 p.m., which will be a recorded one of the same session which happened in the morning. So the energy will be same, and with Swamiji's divine energy, you will get cleared, and you will have beautiful experiences. I think I don't need to say much, because you need to experience it all by yourself. So please come and join Guru Tattva at YouTube, Samarpan Meditation.